Want to speak real Italian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ItalianPod101.com.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Italian Pod 101. My name is Daisy, mi chiamo Daisy, and in this video we're gonna talk about prepositions of movement, preposizioni di movimento, preposizioni di movimento. As you may know by now, prepositions in Italian are really tricky because the same word is used for many different cases, right? So instead of focusing on the preposition and studying all the different uses, because if I say, let's assume, vengo da Torino, I come from Turin, and una bottiglia da 2 litri, you see the word is the same, but of course the meaning is different. So let's work the other way around and start from the use. Of course, the condition to talk about prepositions of movement is a verb of movement in the phrase, right? Andare, to go, andare. Venire, to come, venire. Viaggiare, to travel, viaggiare. Partire, partire, to leave, to depart. Correre, to run, correre. Camminare, to walk, camminare. Spostare, to move, literally. Or mettere, to put. So you get the idea, but these are the most common ones. Now, let's assume I want to say, I come from somewhere. Vengo da, venire da. Io vengo da Torino. I come from Turin. Io vengo dall'Italia. I come from Italy. And this preposition da can also mean to. Stasera vado da Michele. So you see that in this case, vado means to go, not to come. Vengo da Torino, I come from Turin. Vado da Michele, I go to Michele. Even though it's da. That's why I said not to focus on the particle itself, but to start learning from the meaning and from what you want to say. So the particle da means both from and to, depending on the verb it comes with. Okay? Viaggio da Roma a Milano. I'm traveling from Rome to Milan. In treno, if you want to add by train, for example. Da a, from to. Corro da casa mia a casa di Michele. I run from my house to Michele's one. Da a. Now, this a means to, right? Vado a Milano. I go to Milan. So the action of movement to a place is expressed by the particle a. But sometimes we use the particle in, even though it still means that we're moving to that place. For example, vado in Giappone. I go to Japan. Viaggio in Europa. I travel to Europe. Just remember that when you want to express movement to some place, you use a, but when you're talking about countries, continents, big islands, and regions, you use in. Tu vai in Asia. You go to Asia, continent. Vado in Sicilia. I'm going to Sicily, big island. In Emilia-Romagna, regions. Vado in Florida. I'm going to Florida. Lucky you. So, yeah. Of course, in can also be used as a proper in or into. Metti il tavolo in cucina. Put the table in the kitchen. The literal movement of getting into some space, right? Another useful one would be verso. Verso. Il cane corre verso il padrone. The dog runs towards the owner. So in the direction of. Of course you can say in direzione, casa, but that's too long, so we just say verso casa. Similar to attraverso, which means through. Corro attraverso il parco. I'm running through the park. Of course, there are others and many other examples, but these are the most common ones. So we have da, from, a, to, sometimes in also means to, in, verso, towards, and through, attraverso. I have a question for you. Which is the longest journey you've been through? For example, il mio viaggio più lungo, the longest trip, the longest journey, il tragitto più lungo, è da Milano a Tokyo. From Milan to Tokyo. Let me know about yours in the comment. Remember to like and subscribe. And if you haven't done it yet, sign up for your free lifetime account on ItalianPod101.com and download the PDF lessons that will help you through your daily Italian life. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.